don't have much of a back cast where I'm standing here. So what I'm doing is at the end of my swing through with this woolly bugger, I'm actually using the line on the water to load the rod and to be able to punch it forward so I don't need a back cast. Just like, never mind, I got a brook trout. Oh, and it's a big one. Oh, it's a giant. We're gonna go chasing this one. Oh, what a big fish. Now, I will be very lucky if I get to land this. Very lucky. Now, you have to be very careful here. This is big water. Big water. You fall and hit your head, you could be in some serious, serious trouble. Oh, what a fish. What a fish. Come on, baby. Are you rolling? I got him.
You got him?
Yep. Thank you, though. Oh, what a big brook trout. I'll wheel him over to you.
All right.
He's barely hooked in the lip. You got to go get him, bud.
Okay.
Just wait. Oh. Get him, get him! Get him! Give me that. That was a big one. That was probably a 6-pound brook trout. I knew he was barely hooked in the lip. He got in the net, and then we lost him. What a crazy, crazy, crazy week.